Earlier today, Avance International University welcomed the Right Reverend James Ssebagala, the newly appointed Chancellor of the institution, who visited ahead of his official installation. While acknowledging his inexperience in university administration, the bishop expressed a deep commitment to learning and serving, describing his appointment as a divine calling.
So, when they appointed me as a Chancellor, it was a surprise to me because I'm now a retired bishop. But to choose me to become a Chancellor, it was God's calling. I'm very new. I'm yet to learn how the university works. Avance University is very new to me, but I've really appreciated the way they have taken us around, and there are things that I have admired in this university. First of all, they are focused on education. Secondly, they are very innovative. You can only see this from the way the infrastructures are developing.
Following his appointment, the Bishop Emeritus toured the university and interacted with administrators and students as he prepared to officially take on his new role. The Vice-Chancellor of Avance International University, Dr. Katochimata Joshua, welcomed Bishop Ssebagala's appointment and expressed optimism that his leadership will inspire students to combine academic excellence with moral integrity.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, allow me to thank Mama Chancellor, who gave us an excellent reception, accorded us breakfast, and all the treatment that you extended to us. It will remain in the history of Avance International University. Above all, Mr. Chancellor, sir, allow me extend our appreciation on the behalf of the University Council, the University Senate, and the entire Avance International University for accepting our humble proposal we extended to you when you accepted to be the titular head of this fast-growing university.
Bishop Ssebagala, while humbled by the task, reassured the university community of his readiness to serve.
You don't choose the direction, but he chooses the direction. I was called by God to serve, and so when it comes through God's choice, I accepted.
He further emphasized the importance of the Church's involvement in higher education as a way of grooming future leaders, stressing that the true guidance ultimately comes from God.
The mission of the Church is always for the future leaders. And when you see universities coming up, grooming our students for better leaders, I think this is when the Church should always come in, so that people get to know that everything is guided by God. And when you want to go ahead, you need to honor God, to fear God. The fear of God is the beginning of knowledge. And so when you see universities teaming up with the Church, you hope for better leaders in the future.
As Bishop Ssebagala prepares for his formal installation, his message of hard work, responsibility, and innovation resonates strongly with the values of Avance International University. His appointment underscores the growing role of the Church in shaping not only spiritual, but also academic and professional excellence.